Church Bells, the line dance to the song Church Bells by Carrie Underwood. This 56-count four-wall line dance by Grace David and Bobbey Willson is a phrased improver. Level dance, and don't be discouraged. Once you're familiar with the music and the words, you'll come to find that this phrasing of the dance matches perfectly with the phrasing of the music and the words. Section A, tap, tap, stomp, and tap, tap, stomp, forward mambo and back mambo. This section A occurs twice during the dance. Section B1, point hitch cross, forward mambo, and a left sailor with a quarter left turn. Section B2, kickball cross, kick, and quarter left turn stepping behind and then together, shuffle forward, and then a chase turn. B, which is 16 counts, is repeated 3 times in each of the first 2 sets. Section C1, rock back, recover, scissors right, scissors left, step, quarter turn left, and step. C2, rock back, recover, scissors right, scissors left, step half turn left, and step. Section C3, right foot to the right, together, a right sailor, left side rock, recover, and left sailor. Section C4, right side rock, recover, cross shuffle, left side rock, recover, and a behind side cross. The tag, which is 2 counts, is simply sway right, sway left. Next, from behind, let's count it out. Part A, which is 8 counts, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Part B, which is the stronghold of this dance, is 16 counts. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Part C, 32 counts, is the only section that ends at a different wall from where it begins. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. C3, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. C4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The tag is only 2 counts, 1, 2, no syncopation. The tag is used once in each of the first 2 sets, and in the third set, it is used twice in a row. 1, 2, 1, 2. We appreciate your support and hope you will enjoy our dance and share it with others. Thank you.